insane. Seeing my past be insane. Now, try to guess now what's going on. And the man begins to pray. Time to see my